Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. In the last episode I promised you to create this 3D logo from this normal logo what we created in the Canva. Actually this is just a logo template, but I just show you how to use the photo pair, and we created this van with the multiple logos. My idea was to show you guys how the photo pair works, how we can create, how we can use the templates, mockups in the photo pair. But actually, I absolutely forgot to show how to create exactly this logo on the photo pair. But in this tutorial, I will do it. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I just open a new page, searching for the photo pair. Here is the photo pair website. Go into the templates as we did it in the last time, and now I just have to scrolling down and find this mockup. Actually just click on it and click on a big picture, and now it's already downloaded. Yeah, I just opened the okay, so we have this effects. We can see the different kind of layers, but now the most important thing is this additional Canva with your logo here. We just double click on it and we open this PSD file. This is a smart object, and I just have to hide this original logo from it. File, open and place. I just adding this image, and if we want we can delete the original logo. That's not important, but it's nice to have it. So if I going back to the original mockup, nothing happened due to I forgot to update the smart object. So going back to the PSD file, holding the Control button, hit the S, and now we have smart object updated. And as you can see, this asterisk is removed from here. Still have it here, but now you can see the logo is already updated, and now we just need to download it. So file, export as PNG, save. So going back to the Canva, add the new page, and we just insert it. I would like to try something else, create some transparent, not transparent, so this gradient background, sorry. I use this gradient background, and going back to the photo pair, and what if we just hide in the background, and now export as PNG, save. Going back, as you can see, it's quite nice, also with a transparent background, and I used my gradient background here. This was the original one, what we just downloaded from the photo pair with the original background. This one just without a background. Actually, this is just a transparent background and still very nice. But I had another idea. Just create one more. I can keep this background, not important. So what if file, open and place, I use this, and just moving down. Yes. So we can upload in any image and using as a background. And if I just turn the other one, sorry, this one, as you can see, this is a typical Photoshop layer thingy. This looks like so pretty similar as the layers in the Photoshop. If I'm moving below, now the uploaded image is in the top and the original background is behind. If I just hide the image what I uploaded, the original background is visible. I can turn off this one also, but if I just turn on mine, the uploaded image will be the background. And as you can see, there are layers also on the background image. So we can create also these layers in our image, additional sub layers. But this one is a different topic. Now I don't want to waste the time on it. Might be in a future video I will show you guys how it works also in the Photopea, how we can create a proper image, how to play around with the layers here. But now I just show you we can upload our own image replacing the original background. And if I just downloading it, I mean export as PNG, save, going back to the Canva, it's already downloaded and uploaded, and we have this image with our own background. And as you can see, the shadows are also here, like here or here. Maybe not that visible due to the background is a bit dark, but you can see it's working as expected due to the shadows, effects and lights are above the background layer. So if I move the shadow below the background, nothing happens, of course. But if I moving above my background layer, it's like they are coming back. As you can see, it really works. The only thing was this background is too dark and not really visible. If I use a bit lighter background, this thing will be more visible. But I'm still really satisfied with this option. I created a really nice 3D logo with the Photopea. So if you like the video, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you miss anything from the tutorial or if you're struggling anything in a Canva. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description where you can find lots of other Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image generation prompts for different kind of applications. So if you are also interested on this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. Also, as I mentioned before, you can find the link in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.